Good morning to everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about DAWLab third experiment. So the program objective is we have to compute division operation, that is A/B. If both the values are non-zero, then quotient will be the result. If the dividend value is equivalent to 0, then it will cause an error. For example, I am giving two value, one is 4, another one is 2. Both are non-zero values. So if I execute those values by this program, I will get the quotient as the result, that is 2. Instead that, if I have given the input value as 4, 0, here B value is 0. So if B value is 0, then it will cause an error. So regarding this, already so many programs have been discussed. So now I am going to explain about it. So here I am using the utilities as scanner. So next, public class exception1. Here class name is exception1. I am going to get the input from the user. So I am using the statement public static void main string args. So for receiving input from the user, in C we are using printf statement, C+, we are using cin statement. But in Java, I am using the Java utilities scan. So scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in. So this statement is accepting the input value from the user. So for that, system.out.println, I am enter two number. So I am assigning two different values. One is for A, another one is for B. So for receiving A value from the user, I am using the scanner utilities scan.nextInt. For receiving B value from the user, I am using int B equal to scan.nextInt. So scan.nextInt means it will scan the input from the user and assign the value to A variable. Then next line is used to scan the input value from the user and assigning it to for B variable. Next, as I said before, when I am divide the value, if both are non-zero, then it will give the quotient as the result. If the dividend value is equivalent to 0, then it will cause an error. So if there is any error, then it will be encountered in try block and it will be passed to the catch block. So in catch block, the error message will be displayed. If there is no such an error occurred, then in the try block, the corresponding results will be obtained. So that's what I am using the another new variable C. I have not declared it earlier. So I am declared the C variable with the corresponding data type integer. Integer C is equal to A by B. So if both the values are non-negative, then the quotient will be the result at here. If the B value is equivalent to 0, then it will cause an error. So those error will be passed to catch block. Then the exception error will be displayed. So that's what here two numbers, one is 2, another one is 0. So B value is 0, so automatically it will cause an error. Then if both the values are non-zero, that is 2 and 1, then the result will be 1. So now I will show you the execution part. So this is the program which I have explained. When I run the program, it will ask two numbers. So first I will give the non-zero values 4 and 2. The result is 2. Next, when I am giving the dividend value as 0, then it will cause an error. So exception, error has occurred. So this is the concept. I hope that you might have understood. Then the remaining program I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.